In this video, I'm going to show you the Structure tab. The structure is the heart of our keyword management. The structure allows you to manage keywords and negative keywords at any scale. When you set up your account the first time, in the third step we ask you to check corresponding ad groups. With the check of the corresponding ad groups, we automatically find for each SKU in each country the auto ad group, the broad ad group, phrase ad groups, and exact ad groups. We automatically do this if either it is the only automated campaign, for instance, or by naming identifiers like broad or any other languages, or over here exact. If we did not find all of your ad groups, you can check syntax. Over here we're going to check all your ad groups and campaigns and check if there is a naming identifier we find for that. So we check the keywords within an ad group, and if there are, for instance, 95% exact ad groups, exact keywords, then we will add an exact at the end. If you click accept and update, we automatically will change the name and push this back to Amazon. We check the ad groups, or we select the ad groups based on the sales within the last 30 days. So if there were multiple ad groups that could apply, we just take the one which had the most sales within the last 30 days. Like I did over here with the little chain symbol, you can change the current selected ad group. So in instance, if you wanted to have a different one, you can just select a different one, and then it's selected. The sync tab, or the sync switch, that is very special. It allows you to automatically move keywords that do not fit within an ad group. So for instance, if you got a broad ad group, and over there's an exact keyword, we will pause the exact keyword in the broad ad group and move it to the exact ad group. We make sure that all exact keywords are put as negative exact within the broad ad group, as well as in the phrase ad group, but not within the auto ad group, because one of the targets of the auto ad groups is to appear on competitors' listings. And as soon as the keyword is set as negative, you won't appear anymore over there if the person who got to that listing came there with the search term, which now is negative exact. This structure is also the foundation for the rule and the keyword management you can activate and deactivate over there. So when we have the negative keyword management activated, and for instance we select negative exact and negative phrase, this will appear in the auto ad group and in the broad, and negative exact will be added to the phrase ad group. The normal keywords will add it either to the broad, to the phrase, or to the exact campaign. To automatically add keywords with different bids, for instance, if you want to bid higher in an exact ad group, just add the default bid within those ad groups and adjust it accordingly. If you got any questions, feel free to use our in-app chat